We're going to start at the bottom and work our way up to the top. This is our carbon fiber on a 63 coupe that we're in the middle of a build on. We're just doing another fit of everything. You have the front bumpers, left and right, the bumpers, the grille molding, and our small front spoiler. But these things turned out gorgeous. This is the bottom. This is what you'll never see on the bottom. Not unless you're laying underneath it or have it on a hoist. Let's go to the back, catch the back. So we're showing you the splash shield that's part of our lower diffuser. This coming around is our lower diffuser, along with while you're down here, you get to see the bottom side of our bumpers, which are just as pretty as the top side. This car has quad exhaust. So it has side pipes, which we'll come back to with our covers, that are wide open. And then it has a couple of mufflers that dumps out the back here. Back around to the splash shield that's installed that has painted car color with the gravel guard to help protect the wheel wells. Wheel wells are gravel guarded. The bottom of the car is all finished off nicely. This is our C2 side exhaust cover, which works on original style exhaust and also works quite well on this exhaust. And as you note again, that's real carbon fiber. So you can see the tops of the carbon fiber. This, we call it our 63 Stinger hood. Still going to have the cookie sheets. They're downsized. The Stinger is narrowed up and downsized, lengthened just a little bit. The whole purpose of this is to bring our air in from the outside, not from the engine compartment. And we had to raise up the hood to accommodate the LT4. When this car was originally, the frame being built, it wasn't designed for an LT4. Problem a lot of guys have is these engines are too low to the ground, and so it kind of takes the fun out of driving them when they're worried about wiping the oil pan off. We're going to put it back up in the air and show you the clearance we have on this. We moved it up. You can't be afraid to cut a little fiberglass. So it has an 8-speed automatic. The LT4 supercharged. We moved it up. We made our XL tunnel. So we have a tunnel that accommodates that 8-speed. We have a console that accommodates that, a dash that accommodates that all the way back to the car. So this is our engine cover / air box. So as you see, the detail to the engine cover, which is carbon fiber, and the air cleaner coming around. We did move, we had DeWitt change our radiator and move our opening over here, because inside of this is our duct that runs for the air coming into the supercharger, so we can plug in our sensor to it, so everything works and everything runs. So this is our idea of engine cover, air box, air cleaners. Back side of the hood is finished. We have clearance, engines up in the air. Still have to install the actuator, but we'll get to that. We just kind of wanted to give you a little taste of what we're doing here. And I'm going to put the car back up in the air so you can see the clearance underneath this car, which is very important. So you can see underneath the bottom of the car, our transmission pan is higher than the exhaust. Our engine oil pan is higher than that, and that is right in line with our front cross member. So now you can put the worries of what's underneath you when you're out shitting and getting and having fun. You don't have to worry about the bottom end of the car. Thanks for watching.